Make this your new home in Sugar Mill Woods, Homosassa, Florida. Two master suites in this 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath pool home, both with access to the lanai and pool area. This custom home built by a local quality builder includes dual-paned windows and sliding glass doors. Screened front entry opens to a formal living room or flex room. Beautiful hardwood floors in family room and the main master. Whole house solar by Sunrun will be paid off at closing by sellers. Other great features are the new roof 2025, well for irrigation and HVAC replaced in 2019. 2 convenient pantries available. Tiled lanai and quiet serene, setting out by the pool. New pool pump and filter, great southern rear exposure for this Florida home.